Accessing server racks shouldn't involve hauling heavy crash carts. Introducing the Vertiv Local Rack Access LRA Console, engineered to transform data center management. The Local Rack Access LRA Console snaps into place in seconds. No tools, screws, or cage nuts needed. Just expand, snap, and set. With an integrated KVM switch, the LRA console lets you access up to 16 target devices simultaneously, saving you time and valuable space with its compact one-rack unit design. Boost productivity with a sharp 18.5-inch widescreen LCD, a full-size desktop keyboard with touchpad, and the option for replacement keyboards in multiple languages. The intuitive multilingual on-screen menu makes navigation simple and easy. Keep systems secure with user-only access controls, and enjoy reliable and quick server management that keeps your data center running smoothly. With a cable management arm, dual USB 2.0 pass-through ports, and VGA interface options, the LRA console adapts your setup for a seamless experience. Streamlined data center operations with the Vertiv Local Rack Access Console, the efficient, accessible, and compact solution for fast, reliable rack management. Ready to elevate your data center efficiency? Contact our team today to learn more about the Vertiv Local Rack Access Console.